Install an AI brain on your machine tool. From the moment machining starts, tool condition is monitored in real time. With just one TMS tool monitoring system, power and vibration signals are captured for every single cutting action. AI models analyze the data and identify trends in tool condition changes. When machining deviates from safe limits and where chipping or tool breakage occurs, the system alarms instantly and stops the machine. And every machining cycle trains the AI. Every abnormal event improves the model. Data from different tools, different materials, and different programs is continuously accumulated, making system judgments more accurate over time. Experience moves from the human mind into the AI model, from relying on experience to building experience. Installed in just 2 weeks, machines get smarter every day. Choose SIGER Data. From passive monitoring to active decisions, lower cost, higher efficiency, confident production.